वेल इस सितारों की भरी दुनिया में हमने अक्सर देखा है कि कैसे यहाँ पे रिश्ते जितना जल्दी बनते हैं उतना ही जल्दी टूट जाते हैं। काफी बार हमने ये भी देखा है कि एक स्टार कास्ट का नाम आपस में जुड़ जाना एक बहुत ही मामूली सी बात है, चाहे इन द रियल लाइफ these star cast people are already dating or maybe have somebody special in their life. Well, that was the same case for our very own Aladdin Naam To Suna Hoga star cast. The fans have simply loved Siddharth Nigam and Avneet Kaur's chemistry on screen, and hence they speculated many a times that there is something brewing between the two of them. Well, it seems like Aladdin Naam To Suna Hoga actress Avneet Kaur and TikTok star Riaz Ali recently made some revelations about their respective relationship status, and you may or may not be happy to hear them. But in their latest interview, both the stars revealed that they are single currently and are in a relationship, but with their work only. But hey, wasn't Avneet in a relationship with her co-star Siddharth Nigam? On Instagram, she even made a love post of Siddharth. So what exactly is this single tag is what we are also thinking about. Coming to the interview, Avneet said that she's all single and that she's focused only on her work. In an interview with the leading portal, she made this revelation, and both the host and Avneet were laughing hard when she uttered the words, "I am single." Following her footsteps, TikTok star Riaz Ali too stated that he is single and that he is quite focused on his work only. He also made a hilarious statement saying that he is married but only to his fans. Avneet could not hold back her laughter and even suggested Riaz to take back his words, otherwise some crazy fans will drop by to his home saying she is married to Riaz. Whoa, that's a big thing. Further, in the interview, Avneet also pointed out the qualities that she would want in her boyfriend. She wants a boyfriend to be funny, polite, kind and also understanding. Well, thoda cute bhi hoga to chalega, stated Avneet further. Well, okay then, all the men out there who fit the particular criteria that have been stated by Avneet, you can go try your luck. Maybe she likes you back. But do try a creative way of proposing Avneet Kaur. Well, जहाँ एक साइड पे अवनीत के फैंस को बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा ये जानकर कि अवनीत की लाइफ में एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है और उसकी लाइफ का करंट स्टेटस क्या है, वहीं दूसरी ओर हमारे अलादीन और यास्मीन यानी कि हमारे सिद्धार्थ और अवनीत के कुछ ऐसे फैंस होंगे जो शायद काफी डिसहार्टन होंगे, या फिर वो इनको सपोर्ट करेंगे इस डिसीजन में कि शायद ये दोनों अपने कुछ स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप को अपने फैंस या सबके सामने अभी इतनी करंट स्टेज और फ्रेश स्टेज में नहीं लाना चाहते। well, जो मर्जी हो, हम सभी लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं for finally Aladdin Naam To Suna Hoga and these two to go back on floors for shooting, because it's been long that we've got to see these two on screen spreading their chemistry and making us all grip to our television screens. You do tell us in the comment sections below what do you have to say about this particular revelation by Avneet Kaur and Riaz Ali. Until then, stay tuned to TeleChakkar for all the more gossip and the news about your special television stars.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to TeleChakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.